Hello everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. Today, I will show you a small, portable single gas detector. SENKO SPS GTP. Let's open the package to see what's inside. This is the calibration cap. This is the main unit. This is the user manual. This is the product certificate. Then, let's take a look at the appearance. The shell is wrapped in rubber, which feels comfortable. At the same time, it has anti-drop and impact resistance. The protection level reaches IP67, which is waterproof and dustproof. Here are the indicator lights. This is the buzzer. This is the button, one button operation. Here is the infrared junction. There's the sensor intake. This is the back crocodile clip. The total weight of the whole machine is only 93 grams and only 32 millimeters thick. It's almost no burden to hold in hand. It can be easily clipped on the collar or pocket. Wear it with you, safe and without feeling. It's safe and comfortable. It can be quickly mastered without much training. It can easily complete operations like turning on, turn on and off, view data, and other operations. Next, we will demonstrate the startup process. Long press the button for 3 seconds. The device is turned on. The screen will conduct a self-test. It will display the sensor type, range, and software version. Meanwhile, the alarm light flashes. The beeper beeps short to indicate the normal alarm system. After 10 seconds of self-check, it enters the detection mode. The screen shows the real-time gas concentration. After power on, press the button to cycle through different data. Current gas concentration value. The maximum concentration. Low alarm value. High alarm value. STEL setting value. TWA setting. Firmware version. Remaining calibration days. Calibration menu. Then press it again to return to the measurement interface. Next, demonstrate how to change the alarm value. Long press the button on the alarm value page. Number flashing represents settable state. Short press of the button to change the number. To set the alarm value. Then, long press the button. Switch to the next number that needs to be changed. Keep pressing and holding the button. Screen numbers no longer flash. Short press to exit the alarm value setting. SGTP supports more than 10 different gas sensors, including oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, sulfide, ammonia, chlorine, etc. Whether it's chemical, pharmaceutical, water treatment, or chemical and pharmaceutical industries, you can find the right model. One for connecting a single gas detector to a 4-gas detector. So, let me show you an alarm. Pass a little gas. When the alarm value is reached, 3 alarms of sound, light, and vibration will be triggered. So, we're going to show you infrared connectivity. There are 2 kinds of software inside. One is iLink PC, and the other is MGTP-IR link. We open the first software, insert an infrared connector into the computer. Then align with the upper end of the detector. Then click open on the software to connect. The indicator light on the left side of the connector will flash blue. The version number will be displayed after the connection is successful. Serial number, username. Various alarm values can be set in the software. Primary alarm value, secondary alarm value, TWA, STEL. Gas calibration concentration value. There are other options that can be changed. Next, we will demonstrate changing the alarm value on the software. For example, change this low alarm value to 5. Then click right above to write. Click Yes after writing. You can see the indicator light flashing on the left. Now let's look at the detector. It shows that the first level alarm value has become 5. Next, we demonstrate calibration using standard error. Install the calibration cover that comes with the box and connect the hose of the standard gas tank. Remember to ensure that you are in a dedicated air extraction room. Open the standard tank valve first. Open the standard gas calibration interface of the detector. Turn on the flow meter switch. Adjust the standard gas concentration to be consistent with the standard gas tank. After long, press confirm. Start the 90-second countdown to the standard gas. After the bit is over, you can see a small V icon. Close the flow meter and valve. Now our calibration is over. Next, we demonstrate replacing the sensor and battery. When you need to shut down, first, return the detection numerical interface. Press and hold the button for more than 5 seconds. The screen will display a countdown. Then the device will be turned off. Now remove the 6 screws on the back of the detector. Unlike many one-time detectors on the market, SGTP adopts a replaceable design. The sensor and battery can be replaced by users. And you can see there are 2 more screws on the red circuit board and 2 screws on the circuit board. Then remove the circuit board. This is the sensor. This is the battery. When the sensor's lifespan expires, usually 2 to 3 years, or the battery runs out, you don't need to throw away the entire device. Just buy a replacement. Now let's demonstrate the battery installation. This is the negative electrode. This is the negative pole. This design greatly reduces the long-term cost and more environmentally friendly. Then install the sensor. After replacing the battery, it will automatically restore the factory settings. 0-point calibration and standard gas calibration are required again. Now, restore the main board screws one by one. Install all the screws of the shell back. At this moment, our detector has been replaced and installed.